Smoothie bowls have gained popularity in recent years as a delicious breakfast or snack option. These bowls are not only visually appealing but also offer a range of health benefits. We will explore, is smoothie bowls good for weight loss? Nutrient density. Smoothie bowls are typically loaded with fruits, vegetables, and other nutritious ingredients. They provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which can support your overall health and weight loss goals. The high nutrient density of smoothie bowls can help you feel more satisfied and reduce cravings for unhealthy snacks. Fiber content. Fiber is a key component in many smoothie bowl recipes. It helps to keep you feeling full for longer, which can assist in controlling your appetite and calorie intake. Fiber also aids in digestion and can help regulate blood sugar levels, preventing energy spikes and crashes. Portion control. Smoothie bowls is that they encourage portion control. Unlike traditional smoothies, which can be consumed quickly, smoothie bowls require you to eat more slowly with a spoon. This extended eating time allows your body to register fullness more effectively, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Protein boost. To enhance the weight loss benefits of smoothie bowls, you can add protein sources like Greek yogurt, tofu, or protein powder. Protein helps to build and repair muscles, and it increases satiety, making you feel fuller for longer. Healthy fats. Incorporating sources of healthy fats such as nuts, seeds, and avocados in your smoothie bowl can further support weight loss. These fats provide sustained energy, promote fullness, and are essential for overall health. Customization. The versatility of smoothie bowls allows you to customize them according to your dietary preferences and nutritional needs. You can choose ingredients that align with your weight loss goals, whether that's low-calorie, high-protein, or plant-based options. Hydration. Many smoothie bowl recipes incorporate liquid bases like water, almond milk, or coconut water. Staying hydrated is essential for a healthy metabolism and can help control your appetite. A well-hydrated body is more efficient at burning calories. Mindful eating. Preparing and enjoying a smoothie bowl can be a mindful eating experience. It gives you an opportunity to savor each bite, be present in the moment, and pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues, while smoothie bowls can be a valuable addition to a weight loss plan. Smoothie bowls can be a nutritious and weight loss-friendly option. Are you ready to start your weight loss journey and make positive changes to your health? Don't wait any longer. The path to a healthier, slimmer you starts now. Check the Smoothie Diet website page and take the first step towards achieving your goals. Download now from official website. Check the link in description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos.